It started with a forgotten breakfast and a dizzy spell. Joan, a 72-year-old retired librarian, stood motionless in her kitchen, hands trembling slightly, unsure whether it was the lack of food or something worse. Her mornings had grown foggier in recent months. Her energy came in short, unpredictable bursts, and by noon she often found herself too drained to enjoy her usual stroll through the park. That walk used to be her favorite part of the day. Fresh air, gentle sun on her face, a quiet joy in each step. But lately, even that had become a chore. Her stomach felt off most days. Sluggish digestion, persistent bloating, and discomfort that lingered longer than it should. Her doctor had called it normal aging. But Joan wasn't ready to accept that. She wanted more. She wanted to feel light again, clear, comfortable, energized. That's when she remembered something her granddaughter had shown her on TikTok, a video of someone stirring little black seeds into a glass of water. It had seemed odd at the time, but now it was worth a try. Meanwhile, across the country, Harold, 68 and recently widowed, sat at his kitchen table staring at a bowl of oatmeal that had long gone cold. After 40 years of shared meals, balanced routines, and little loving notes left beside his plate, food now felt empty. Most days he didn't eat much. Other days he ate too much, out of sadness or boredom or just the desire to feel something. His appetite didn't follow rules anymore. His blood sugar spiked and crashed like a roller coaster, and he often found himself napping not from rest but from sheer exhaustion. He didn't like what he was becoming: sluggish, foggy, disconnected. He knew something had to change, but everything he read online seemed geared toward bodybuilders or 20-year-olds trying to lose weight. He wanted something gentler, simpler, something that spoke to his body as it was now. Then, during a community health seminar, someone mentioned chia seeds in water. Nature's hydration gel, they said. Harold chuckled. Really? Seeds in water? But for some reason he couldn't shake the idea. So, both Joan and Harold decided to try it. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds stirred into a glass of water. Let it sit. Wait 10, maybe 15 minutes until it thickens. Then drink. That was it. No pills, no powders, no expensive supplements. Just water and seeds. Joan drank hers mid-morning. At first she noticed nothing, but within an hour she realized something peculiar. Her stomach wasn't gurgling. The bloating wasn't there. Her usual dizzy spell never came. By lunchtime she wasn't ravenous or shaky. She just felt even, clear, calm. Harold experienced something similar. He drank his first glass after breakfast and noticed that he didn't reach for snacks before lunch like he usually did. He wasn't exhausted by noon. His thoughts felt a little sharper, his mood a little steadier. What was going on? Chia seeds, it turns out, are one of the richest sources of plant-based nutrition known to science. Each tiny seed is packed with soluble fiber, complete protein, anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. When soaked in water, they absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like substance. This gel slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and extends hydration, making you feel full longer and energized more consistently. It's like a natural time-release capsule created by nature itself. For Joan, that meant better digestion. The soluble fiber in chia gently swept through her intestines, softening her stool and reducing the discomfort she used to feel after meals. Her bowels, once unpredictable, became regular and smooth. Her stomach flattened, not in a cosmetic way, but in a relieved, comfortable way. She felt lighter. She could walk further, think more clearly, sleep more soundly. For Harold, it was the blood sugar balance that made the difference. That constant cycle of sugar highs and crashes began to flatten out. His cravings started to fade. He no longer reached for late-night snacks or sugary drinks to lift his mood. The steady energy he gained from a single glass of Chia water helped him feel in control again, something he hadn't felt since his wife passed. He began tending to the garden they once shared, drinking his Chia water as he worked the soil and remembered her laughter in the sun. But there's more. Inside every soaked chia seed are omega-3 fatty acids, the very same fats found in fish oil, that fight inflammation, support heart health, and protect aging brains from decline. These fats help joints move more freely, muscles recover faster, and minds stay sharper longer. The seeds also contain antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that accelerate aging and cell damage. For seniors, these benefits aren't just helpful, they're transformative. As we age, our bodies become more vulnerable to chronic inflammation, dehydration, unstable blood sugar, and weakened digestion. Chia seeds target all of these issues at once, gently, naturally, without disrupting the body's rhythm. They nourish without overwhelming. They balance without pushing. It's food as medicine, the way nature always intended, and it couldn't be simpler to prepare. A glass of water, a tablespoon of seeds, and 10 minutes of patience. That's it. Some people like to add lemon or lime juice for flavor. Others stir in a little honey or mix it with herbal tea. The seeds themselves are neutral, soaking up whatever flavor you add, but it's the texture, the gentle gel, the smooth, slippery drink that your body learns to crave. It hydrates you in a way plain water can't. It nourishes you deeply, silently, and consistently. Joan started calling it her morning elixir. She drank it around 10 a.m. after her first cup of tea. Harold preferred his around 2 p.m. when his energy usually dipped. Both of them found their own rhythm. Over time, it became a ritual, something grounding, comforting, predictable in a world that often wasn't, and the results kept coming. Joan's cholesterol levels, once borderline high, dropped into a healthier range. Her doctor smiled at the chart and asked what she had changed. Harold's pants fit better. His energy returned. He even joined a local walking group and began leading stretches before each stroll, all from a seed the size of a freckle. Of course, no food is magic, and chia seeds are no exception. They're not a cure-all, but they're an ally, a daily helper that supports your body in dozens of small, meaningful ways, the kind of quiet support that adds up day after day, month after month. And for seniors, they can be a game changer. The key is to start slowly. If your body isn't used to fiber, begin with half a tablespoon a day. Give your digestive system time to adjust. Drink extra water to help the fiber move through your body. And then, as the days pass, increase the amount to a full tablespoon. Some even go to 2. But always listen to your body. Let it guide you. Soon you may notice less bloating, better bowel movements, a flatter stomach, more energy, fewer cravings, sharper thoughts, a sense of calm in the belly, a clarity in the mind, and over time a sense of vitality that many thought they had lost for good. That's what Joan and Harold discovered. Not a miracle, but a quiet, steady shift back toward balance, toward comfort, toward life. They didn't set out to become healthier. They just wanted to feel better. And in one small glass of water filled with tiny black seeds, they found exactly that. Sometimes the best health secrets aren't secrets at all. They're simple, ancient, and hiding in plain sight. All we need to do is take the first sip.